Hey friends, how are you doing? This is osppro, a video tutorial website. So this site is going to be mainly where people will be downloading my tutorials from, my file tutorial from. So I made it whereby you can always access them to get what you want. Now this is how it looks like. This is a simple website. I happen to make the front end. These are the videos you are going to get my videos from. This side here is for programming videos. Then this side is for web development videos. Hope that's fine with you. Then this side shall be always having one on us recently uploaded videos, which will also be dynamical. We shall just be adding them into our channel. Here down we shall be having our videos, little bit of the videos, and I'll add that more of it inside here. I'll add them more on tutorials. But when you click on tutorials, this one directs you straight, will be directing you straight to YouTube, to my YouTube channel, where you'll be accessing the videos. Yes, so that's it. In contact us page, there's nothing yet much at the moment. About us, there's nothing yet there at the moment. Oh wow, that's great. So let me just take you this part of the download and chat program. So you can click in download and then you just come in here. If you don't have account, please not yet with account, simply register. So you can click register and try to give in your details, maybe YouTube. Just try to take this one aside. You can always come in here, give him your name, just say maybe David, or just say YouTube, maybe David, if that's the case. The email, just don't forget your email address, maybe example at gmail.com. Then you can always select your country. If it is Angolia, or which one should you take? Okay, let me just take that. Then you can always come and give in your details for the password, maybe 1 2 3. You can always confirm that and then click registration to register. So if you happen, just click register. Wow, just try to shake that slowly. So I have to come in here and log in with, it would have been example, okay, it's example.com.om and password is 1 2 3. So when I click that, it will take us into that partition now. Now this is how it will look like. This will be all about you. This will be the chat room, and this will be the source code that you need to download. So if you always hit here to download, so you'll be finding my source codes here, members. If you don't want, you can always hit up here and start to chat with some people whom you find online. You can simply start by saying, hey, osppro. So if you hit that button, I think you'll see seeing the message sent down like that. And in the smartphone view or tab view, it will be something like that. This kind of something like that. And blah 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 viewers here. You can always get it there down like that. And if you check now, this is the view of it when a user happens to send a message. You can even go and reply to that particular message and try to give more comments. So this is the particular message you happen to say. You can simply say, I love this shirt up. That's it. So that message also be private to that end video. So this one is saying YouTube David says, I love this shirt up at this time. And this is also what David happened. So good David happened to say last time. So this part will only be viewed with, any user can access it, but if you want kinda a private message, then it will be of a good use to any user. Otherwise, you can also delete it if you want. So you can always hit there delete, and I think you can see it's deleting, and now it's done. So if you go back to that panel where that message was, we now can find only 2. So that's it, my friend. You can always continue deleting. Get. So that's how the stuff is all about. I hope it's clear if you guys know. Hope it's fine for any of you would like to use this system. So otherwise, I wish you a nice time. For any of you will be using this system, please, this is where the source code is going to be, and don't forget the URL is just old osppro.00webhostapp.com. You get, that's the your website link where I'll be putting up your source codes. So if you just click on application, or you click here on something, you'll be seeing the file just downloading like you've seen below here. So you'll be just getting the zip files, whatever format of the file, as long as most cases I'll be using the zip to upload into our website. So today is going to be online. I'll be trying to put any source code you guys ever asked me of, I'll be trying to put them on the site so that you guys can always access it. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if at all you want something relative to this, then guys, you can always be in touch. So God bless you. Hope you love it. Thank you.